what do we know about AI? Basically, even a novice person, the one who is in sitting at home, or a person who is operating from mobile phones, they know which product in AI. That's ChatGPT, right?
Yeah, ChatGPT.
Everyone knows about ChatGPT because that's a basic product, because the one which came into the market and people started using ChatGPT. So we hear about it a lot. So as you can see, okay, see, we are running some YouTube projects, and for YouTube as well, we take the content from YouTube, like the way you see on the screen, right? So there is a doctor for which, like, we are uploading some video on YouTube, and we would need the tags, titles, and description and everything, because see, we are not doctors and we cannot justify what they wanted. So based on their video, we can ask the content from AI tools. The same thing. And if you can see, for some other project, this is a technical project. There is a technical person who asked us provide us content for their Windows related blog, and we did, because based on the AI tool, like we have fetched the content what will suit their website, and then we provided them the content required for their blog and everything. So the same way, when we worked on, on the left hand side, you can see how many times have we discussed on, this digital marketing, and again, for some clients, everything we keep working only on AI tool. For everything, we keep searching for AI. Even on news also, we are searching with AI tools only, right? Because we simply ask AI tool, like, tell me some latest news today. It will tell us. So even today, in today's market, even if we want to know something in news, like, tell me gold prices now in Hyderabad. So it will tell us, right? So it will fetch and let us know what is the gold price today. But do you people know from where this data is coming? So this data is actually coming from a different website. So if you can see it on the right hand side, you see this good returns and telugusamayam.com. You see this? And if I scroll down, there are two websites from where this data is coming now at this point of time. But going forward, like, this the same question, if I ask after 5 minutes, this might come from a different place. So let me ask one more news, okay? Tell me the upcoming cricket schedule for today, IPL, T20, whatever, World Cup, whatever. So let's see from where the news will come. So one is from Wikipedia, and the other news is from ESPN Crick Info, and other news is from Times of India, and again Wikipedia, right? You see this. So the same way it is presenting the news from different channels. The information is not coming from one specific channel. So the news is coming from different channels. Okay, and like this. But this news, what we get on the screen, the one what we see today, is coming from different websites basically. Let me click on some page and show you. Latest news also highlights from Times of India. Let me click here. You see the blog, you see the page. So this is from timesofindia.indiatimes.com. That's the page, right? So let's scroll down. This is a newspaper. So for the question, what I have asked ChatGPT, it is fetching the news from this particular page and it is presenting back to me. I need not to go back to this website and read the news, right? So the same way, if I want to buy, find out cheap Samsung phone in the market. So it will fetch the Samsung phone from different places and it will present it here. So one is from Cashify. You see this Cashify website. The other one is from Cashify, and the third one is from AdmiCard. So like this, it is fetching the same data from different pages. You see this? Even if I click on any link, This is from Cashify mostly. Yeah, you see here. This is from funzone.com. This is a different page. And again, if I click here, this is from Add Me Cart. This is a different website. So like this, ChatGPT is always bringing the data from different websites, which is not made by ChatGPT. Okay, that is not from ChatGPT. Not just ChatGPT. You consider any AI tool. Every tool will get you the data from different pages, and nothing like it will look into those pages by itself. Okay, ChatGPT cannot look into those pages by itself. You will have to create some path. For example, you have your own page, you have your own website, and you are selling something on your website. And if you want this to get displayed on AI tools, you have to create something called path, which is so called as digital marketing. So you have to do digital marketing, after which your product will get displayed for AI tools. And after that, those AI tools will bring in your product and bring in your pages and show it to the visitors. I hope I made you to understand. Are you guys clear?
Yeah. So like Google.
Right. Similar to Google. So what happened to Google now? Google is also working, but this ChatGPT or any AI tool that became like a competitor, slight competitor to Google. Nowadays, people stopped looking, searching online on Google. People started continuing to search on ChatGPT or maybe on Gemini AI. If you want some images, you will directly go to Gemini AI or some other tool and you will download the images. If you want some information, you will come back to ChatGPT and you will ask for this for the information, right? So why people are avoiding Google? People are actually not avoiding Google because Google will give so much of information. Google doesn't restrict its search queries only for 4 or 5 results, but ChatGPT will restrict the results only to 4 or 5 results. It won't get you hundreds of pages, right? It's showing you only the required information, only up to 5 lines or one paragraph or two paragraphs, nothing more for the query that you have searched. But the same information, say for example, I'll go from the first query. Tell me gold prices in Hyderabad. I will open google.com and I will do the same search on ChatGPT. Sorry, on google.com. Now see, how many results do I have? I have so many pages, right? Including a graph. I have a clear dashboard on which I can see the price and even so many web pages that are listed over here. 10 pages, 10 into 10, 100, more than 10 pages. Okay, the results are unlimited. Let me go to 14th page. Let me go to 18th page. So the results are unlimited. There is no end because Google will search the results from the entire web because the entire web registry is in the hands of Google. And why? Why? Because if you make a website today, you will first register it with google.com. Okay, and that is when Google get will get to know about your website, saying that so and so person has or so and so company has built a website, and now that I can also show the information to the people from this page. Now where is the competition? Fine, then there are so many websites and my website is also one of them. Now what is the competition over here? For example, now that I'm on 18th page, you can see it right on my screen here. I've highlighted. So let me just zoom it. I'm on 18th page. Let me go back to the last search result. Which one is it? Live Mint or Stable Money? For example, there is a page called stablemoney.in. In case if stablemoney.in is your client, okay, and they came to you to help them to build digital marketing. So what is your job going to be? So your job is to bring this page to the page one. I'm now on 14th page. Okay. Let me because I have to go back to 9 because not all the results will go to the first page. It's not possible for everyone to crawl to the first page, right? Here we go. This is the first page. So there will be a huge competition based on the domain and based on the quality of the content and based on the images that you use, so everything will be considered. Let me show you on a notepad. Okay. So first thing is based on your domain, and then based on your content, based on your links quality, and based on your images, based on your videos, and based on your questions that you asked on your page, like poll or quiz or anything. So based on each and every factor, the ranking will fluctuate. Okay. And how this will fluctuate? Say for example, let me see the first result. Here I see good returns dot in gold rates, today's gold rate in Hyderabad, right? So this is my first search result right now. Let me paste it here. Okay. Now I will search only. Let me remove. Tell me gold prices in Hyderabad. I'll search only for this keyword. I still have this page on the top. You see this? I still have gold returns dot in. This page is still there on the top. The same page, right? Yeah, good returns dot in. And let me search with a different keyword, Telangana. Let's scroll down. Still gold rate in Hyderabad. Okay, now still the same page is rocking. Okay, in Delhi, still the same good returns is rocking because they built their website, they built their digital marketing so strong that you can't beat. I mean, like other websites cannot beat them. Okay, because for every query, the same page is appearing. You see this? The queries what they have made and kept it on the right side. You see this, right? They spoke about all the cities. Gold rates in Ahmedabad, gold rates in Bhubaneswar. So they wrote about almost all the cities. They covered up with all the cities. And again, the silver price. They made the page so beautiful that they are giving so much of information. And they have a video. And again, they have you know, images on this page and the content, a lot of content, advertisements, everything is there. The same competition, like we will check for the competitor now. Let's go back to second page, for example. Let's go back to the second page and check for the second link, Kalyan Jewelers. Okay, I opened one page, and over here the page is so beautiful, but something is missing. They don't have detailed information like the way the other page has explained, right? Because they have so many links are there on their page. Like wherever we see gold price in Mysore, gold price in Bangalore, gold price in Bhubaneswar, they wrote about almost all the cities, this good returns website on the other page. Now see, now a different page has come to me. It's not the same page what I have seen before. Let me go back once again to that page one. So here I'm going to click on the first link, goodreturns.in, right? See, I was on this page before, wherein I see, yeah, wherein I can see gold rate in Hyderabad and gold rate in Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Coimbatore. Everything is appearing on my right side. And the page link is like this. You see this? This is the link. So this is one page. And the same way, I'm searching for the other page from the same website, which was open, this goodreturns.in. Now see the page link. So this link and this link, you compare and see now. For the same keyword, this is one link and this is another link. Here we go. So both are different pages. They both are not the same pages. Okay. One thing is inside the news and the page name is like, with a lengthy link .html. This is the page link. Okay. .html. And this page is under gold rates and delhi.html. Both are different pages, but still one is like first page and the other one is like it's on the second page from the same domain, right? You see the domain name is here. Okay. So how this, like, why exactly this kind of keywords, and how does it matter and how does it appear? So let us just do a small, uh, explanatory work on this. Let me explain you all about the keywords and queries, and then we will focus on the links. Let me just show you. We will discuss about keywords and then queries. So what is the difference between keywords and queries? Okay, so keywords basically are something which is the main word that you use to search, main word that you use to search. It's not that you, almost all the people used to search. Okay, and what is a query? This is the entire keyword along with the type of wordings that they have used in the beginning and ending. Okay, say for example, now that I checked for gold price in Hyderabad. So what is the keyword over here? In this gold price in Hyderabad, what is my focus keyword? Focus word, the main, the kind of concentration, or maybe the one where you see on this, what exactly are you searching for? You are searching for gold price, nothing much. This is called keyword. Gold price is a keyword from this phrase. So gold price is the main keyword here in the above line. But when you search with this gold price in Hyderabad, this is called query. Hope you understand the difference, right? Gold price is the main keyword, and gold price in Hyderabad is is called as query. So it's just like a phrase. The phrase, like what you build to create that keyword, is called as a query. In simple, I can say the phrase you built to call that keyword is called is known as a query. So this is the difference between keywords and queries. So based on the type of search that you do, your results will mat differ. Say for example, gold prices in Hyderabad. Let's go for another keyword. Okay, so war. Now everyone knows war is happening, right? War is happening in Iran. So what do I search here? What is the main keyword here? War or Iran? Maybe war in Iran, right? War in Iran. So that is the main keyword. War in Iran. So I will get at least the news websites. So what is my results? So I'm getting the results from Al Jazeera. There's a news portal. It's in Dubai, and something is happening there. And Guardian is one more newspaper. CNN is one more newspaper. The same way, if I this is my query. Query and keyword is same. So the simple way is called as a keyword. The main explanation will differ is called as a query. So now I say today's war analysis in uh, Bahrain. Because my concept is only war, right? Now see, Hindu Times has come, Hindustan Times has come, and again AA.com, Indian Express, some other websites are coming because the main website was Al Jazeera, right? Previously, I saw Al Jazeera website. Now that didn't come. Now I can see different pages, the federal and all. So the results have changed. So the results got changed based on the query. So this is the difference between queries and results, keywords. So the same way, let's get into Google search console. Okay, so if I purchased a website, I want to build a website for my business. Okay, let's not work on gold or something. I'm going to create a website for my business, for example. So now what should I do? So you have to purchase a website and build some content. Okay, so when you build, okay, right. So when you make a website and then you have to first register that website with Google. This is what we are discussing so far. So let us say, for example, I want to purchase a website. Where can I buy a website? What is a website now? Okay, now we will discuss two differences. What is a website? So it's a collection of publicly accessible interlinked web pages. The same thing what we have seen before, right? Even if it is a news portal, that is a website. If I open wikipedia.com, it is a website. So the same way, I'll go back to Notepad. Where is my Notepad? Yeah, here. So here I said website versus domains. This is my second concept. So what is a website now? Website is a collection of all the information, which means you have so many pages. And now let's check what is a domain. Excuse me, someone is unmute. Could you please mute your side because others may not be able to listen? One second. Okay, done. Right. So let's discuss what is a domain. So domain is the name of that page, www.wikipedia.com, for example. This is called a domain. Basically, you can call it as a domain address, right? Because this is the address. Even if you want to check with your friend, can you give me the web address? Where do I go to watch the news? What you said. If a person is asking you to go and check the news, I just found something which is so interesting. Can you just check it out? You will say, okay, forward me the link. We say the same, right? Forward me the link. So what is my mean by link now? Link is the same thing, which is linked to a domain. Again, I'm getting some disturbance. Kottiswari. Okay. Mm, done. Great. Fine. So yeah, link to a domain. Okay. So the domain is www.wikipedia.com is a domain. And over here, someone said they found a good news about Iran. Okay. Wikipedia.com /Iran is one page. So your friend told you, I found a good news on this their portal, and you asked him to send the link. You will ask him to send the link on WhatsApp, and they will send you this link. So now the domain and the link both are like interlinked, right? Because the domain is the same thing. Because when you purchase a domain, it will be till .com. But when you create a link, it will be till Iran, which means on this Iran page, you will create a page, right? You will see the information. Iran stopped war, like this. Iran stopped war and continued to, do some, what other war. So you will find this kind of news on this page, which means there is a page which is built under this link. Okay, the same thing we are seeing here. Let me go back to the same gold website once. Yeah, over here. For example, I'm opening, yeah, this gold rates in Hyderabad page. See the topmost link over here. Okay, you see good returns. Okay, I'll copy this and paste it on the notepad. Okay, so here, what is the domain from here? So which is going to be the domain? www.goodreturns.in. Only till here, this is the domain name. Okay, only till here, this is the domain name. But how about this gold rates? Hyderabad.html. This might be a page, right? And you see question mark UTM source equal to chatgpt.com, which means I was searching for some news and I was searching on ChatGPT, which means it was an AI tool, and I found this news, right? So let me eliminate this. That's not required because, yeah, if I remove this and I simply paste it till here, let me see if I can open this page or not. Okay, let me go back to the web and I'll open this path. I'll hit enter and I'll see the same page, right? Because you can compare your previous page as well. Here, this one and this one both are same gold rates in Hyderabad. Yeah, ads are different. This the topmost thing is advertisement. Okay, so don't worry. This keeps on rotating. This will not may not remain the same. Okay, because now that you see GoDaddy.com advertisement, because I was searching for domain, and that's why this GoDaddy company came as an advertisement for me. For example, I will search for uh, flight tickets. Okay, let me show you here. I will search for flight tickets to Dubai cost from Hyderabad, for example. Now I will open this page. Okay, which one? The same link. Uh, I have it in the notepad, right? I'll copy this. Now I'll open a new link. Let's see if a different advertisement will come for me or not. You see this? No, this is say, still the domain related advertisement. Let me scroll it down or let me just refresh. Because usually based on your search, the advertisements keep changing. You might have noticed it before as well. So let me just check it once, whether it changes right away or it may take some time or something. We'll see if the ad comes again. Right now the ad still didn't come, okay? Because usually when I okay, let me close this, close this. Now I'll open it again. Okay, this time ads are not coming or what? Yeah, you see this India's real estates. It's like some real estate related advertisement has come. Okay, so it's not the same GoDaddy ad or something. So this is like investment related ad. And downside I can see some matrimony ad. So these ads again are coming from different pages, okay? And what do they search for? See, this is basically a Google ad. You can see it on the bottom. Here, on the bottom left, you notice, you see this Google Ads dot doubleclick.net, which means this is a Google ad. So if you want to advertise in Google, the sponsors, the main business will go ahead and open ads.google.com and they will advertise their business advertisement over here. Okay, they will simply sign into ads and then they will advertise from here. Let me simply open it and show you. Okay, so now that I just logged into Google Ads and we just log in 1 second. Yeah. So for example, I'm running some advertisement over here. Okay, and let me see for which person are we running this ad. Okay, let me click on ads and I see some orthopedic doctor near me. See this? Orthopedic doctor. So this is for a different purpose. And this advertisement, I'm running it in Kim's Gachibowli. I'm running it for the different client. Okay. This is for Kim's Gachibowli. And I want to advertise only in or nearby Gachibowli. Nothing near to our place. So this is a preview. Okay. This is a preview on how that ad will appear for people who stay near Gachibowli. Okay, this is how it appears when they search on Google. If they search for something related to the robotic knee replacement or some orthopedic related problems, the advertisement will appear like this. So this one is a display ad and the other one is a search ad, and it all differs. So we are running two different ads. You can see only the phone number directly. You can click here and you can call the hospital. So this is one way of advertising. Okay. So this ad will appear to the people if they are searching for the similar kind of content. See, this is appearing on mobile. Let me show you how it appears on desktop. Now you are searching on Google. So when you search on Google, it will appear like this as a sponsored ad. Okay, so whenever you search for something, there will be something that appears on the bottom side, which is mentioned as sponsored on the just beside that, which means it is an advertisement. Okay, so this is one thing. You see the sponsored results over here. I was just checking for flight tickets from Dubai to Hyderabad or something. Now you see the sponsored results, which means these companies like Cheap Flights, MakeMyTrip.com, and Skyscanner, Kayak.com, Co.in. So these four websites, they were actually advertising. They were not appearing in Google because of their digital marketing or something. This is also a type of digital marketing. Okay, so I'll show you. And what AI is telling you, AI is telling you a direct price, which is the best price. Okay, because you are checking for something called flight tickets to Dubai cost, right? You are checking for cost. So from 10,500 to 20,000 rupees will be your price. This is the AI tool which is answering over here, and this is Google artificial intelligence tool, Google tool, because it is coming directly on Google search and it is showing you Skyscanner website, and the same Skyscanner result has appeared for you right here. You see this. So now let us come on actual Google digital marketing. I'll tell you what. So digital marketing is two types. One is called paid marketing. The other one is called organic marketing. So far, we search for gold prices and you see so many pages and cricket info or something. So all the results are organically coming for you. What is meant by organically now? Because they are the companies or the domains which are there on Google, they are not actually advertising. They are directly appearing for you because those are informational websites, informative websites. Okay, so they are giving you information. And why should they pay for Google that I want to give this information to that person? They don't pay to the Google, right? Because they're just passing on some information. And in return, they're earning money through advertisements. And these ads they are placing on their web pages. Okay, and how they are placing the placements? Where are the placements? One is on the top and the other one is on the right. Two ads were there when we opened this gold good the website, right? So again, I'll go back to the same page, goodreturns.in, and let me simply open this page. Okay, now see here. So one advertisement is on the right side. The placement we have given, I mean, they have decided to give it on the top, you see, one on the top and the other advertisement on the right. Two ads they have placed. It's still loading, okay, because it may take time to change the ad because the Google script is actually pasted over here and that's why it's not appearing. Okay, they will because we have visited this page so many times and that they don't run the ad too many times because if we keep on opening this page the ad will apparently stop because the same IP address is trying to access the same page so many times. And if this gets displayed many number of times, this advertisement you see here, okay, now again it came the same ad, matrimony or something, right? Yeah, it took time. Okay, they waited for certain seconds, something like 10 seconds or something. They waited to show you this advertisement. So there is a calculation. If the visitor is there on your page for more than 10 seconds, we will display this ad. Otherwise, no. They will have some settings, not the website owner. So this setting was given to them by Google. Google has decided this kind of settings, and this kind of setting is actually called as a formula. Okay, formula or algorithm. I'll show you. So now that at least I have shown you the placement, right, where the ads are placed on that page. One was on the top and the other one is on the right. This thing I have shown you now. And top ad you have seen and right ad you have seen. Does it mean like I cannot place an ad on the left side or middle or bottom? You can place it anywhere you want. Okay, it depends on your developer. Only thing is that he needs to develop a page and then he will create a placement and he will copy paste the script. Copy paste the script from ads.google.com. Okay, ads.google.com or adsense.google.com. They will copy paste the script. And once the script is pasted, the ad will appear to the public. One second, I'm sure this information is fully not visible for you. Now, at least you can see now because I brought it to the middle. You see it, right? Once the script is pasted, the ad will appear to the public. Okay. So now that you understood what is meant by an advertisement and from where is it coming, right? Where is it coming? Like it's actually getting displayed on the web pages. And I'm still talking about paid marketing and organic marketing. Now, until now, I spoke about organic marketing. One thing I told you, the examples, we search for gold prices and cricket score or cricket matches upcoming, and all the results were showing organically on your Google search. Let me open it once again. I'll open google.com once again. I'm on a different browser. Gold prices in Hyderabad. Okay, now check. Do I have something called as sponsored results on any place? Do I have any sponsored results? I'll just scroll down. Okay, see, look for sponsored results. Do I really have anything called sponsored results? No. The answer is no. Why didn't I have any sponsored results over here? Because this is just information what we are seeking, right? Because I'm just seeking gold prices. I'm trying to know the prices. So the same way, I will say buy a gold ring for men. Let me hit enter. Now see, do I have sponsored results? Yes, because I'm trying to buy, right? Now many people will come in competition and they will display sponsored products. You see this? Because see, the sponsored products is here. It is clearly mentioned sponsored results. These are all sponsored results because which means they advertised for this particular keyword. Buy a gold ring for men. For example, I search and I'm getting all these results. You see this, right? And I'll scroll it down, and after more products, I see a Tanish some website here, but this is not a sponsored result because this appeared organically. And again, deals. You see these deals? Even this is sponsored results. And again, cart lane. You see the another page, so called as cart lane. And this is not again a sponsored result. This is organically. Now, how do you differentiate whether it is a sponsored result or does it appear organically or something? Based on the type of title. See, deals and sponsored results both are like paid paid ads. Okay, so because when I clicked on these three dots, it is showing me, okay, it's an ad center. From ad center, they are displaying me about the advertiser. Who is that advertiser? This is some company, Divine Cart Lifestyle or something. This company is advertising. And if I click on the second one, the same company is advertising. The third product is advertised by Cartlane. You see this? Cartlane is advertising. So when I clicked on the three dots, this ad center window opened, okay, and it is showing me who posted this ad and who is showing me. Let me close this. Now at least I understood this is a sponsored ad and ran by someone else. Now let me go to the deals. I don't have any three dots or something, right? So deals are again, let's see whether the deals are low price and all. This is also a kind of sponsored result, but this is appearing in a different way. And based on the page, see, I hover my mouse. Nothing is happening. It is not showing me any hyperlink or something. Let me click over here. So when I click, now I see the company name, Mintra now, right? I see this is sold by Mintra. And I click on this. Now it will show me something on the right side. So these are deals, okay? So it is showing me some offer because see, there are many ways to advertise, okay? Based on the sponsor, based on the merchant, so we can decide because the price is because when you see the low price, what will happen to you? You feel like, wow, this I have to purchase, I have to buy it now, right? They're increasing your interest. So by increasing your interest, they're selling their products. So even this is an advertisement, and this advertisement is fallen under the category called deals, and the above one is just under sponsored results. So there are so many ways, and you will get to know about the paid marketing. So this is called as paid marketing, which means paid marketing means only ads, only ads. And another way I can call advertising without you paying them, paying to Google, without paying to Bing or any other company. Let us say Meta. Meta is Bing, the same company. Meta is operating Instagram, Facebook, and Bing as well. So Meta, without paying to Meta and without paying to Google, your advertisement won't appear when if you go for paid marketing. Okay, when I pay, my ad will appear. Without paying, how will I make it to appear? That is called organic marketing. And second way I said to you is called as organic marketing. And why should we choose organic marketing? Because our organic marketing is something which is inexpensive. This is not going to cost you because you are not going to pay to Google or Meta continuously, right? Okay. So that's the reason it is called as organic marketing. And how this organic marketing will appear for the people when your website is informative. When your website has so much of information, it will automatically get displayed to the people. And how do I make that kind of good information? Because to get it displayed, there are so many algorithms, which means set of rules. Okay, what is meant by algorithm? It's a set of rules. So there are so many set of rules that you need to follow to get this appear to Google, and apparently this organic results will appear. As I said, one is domain. You need to have a good domain name, and then you need to have a good content, and you need to have good link quality links, and then you need to have good images, good videos, good questionnaires, and good ranking. So based on this, your search will organically appear to the people. Okay. So how do I start with organic marketing? And what are the types of organic marketing? Okay. Let me show you once again. So you might have heard about Google Ads. Everyone heard about Google Ads, Meta Ads, Instagram Ads. Again, I'm telling you, Instagram ads or Facebook ads, everything falls under paid marketing. And actually, they belong to the same Meta Ads, okay? Because Meta Ads only is handling your Instagram ads and Facebook ads. And what is Google Ads handling? Google Ads is handling only search on Google search, and there is something called display ads, advertisements with showing images. Because if I visit a different website, right? Because before we have visited gold related websites, and on the top and right, we have seen different advertisements. So that is called as display ad. And the Google search ad, like, the sponsored results that appeared in Google pages, Google search pages, those are called as search ads. So like this, okay? So display ads and video ads. Video ads means again on YouTube. Even when you keep watching movies on YouTube, you keep seeing this video ads. Suddenly some promotion will come before you watch a video, right? Every time for 10 seconds, some video ad keeps running. And after that, you will click on skip. And then your actual video will appear to the people. So that is called video ads. And this falls under paid marketing. And now I'm going back to organic marketing. And under organic marketing, I will have Google. Fine, leave about Google. SEO. You might have heard about SEO when you keep searching for, maybe you heard about SEO in many courses or something. SEO means search engine optimization. And what could be the role of digital marketer? There is a common role called as SEO executives for the beginners. Okay, SEO executives. And why only SEO executives? Why not paid marketing executives or something? Because see, this is something who I have studied advanced. Okay, because paid marketing is, yes, it is important, and paid marketing is something like when you have money, when your client is paying you money to run ads, you are running it. But SEO is the main part of digital marketing. So SEO executives, and then you will have SEO. The senior person will have SEO analyst, and again after certain years, you will have senior SEO, and then SEO managers, SEO directors. The roles will change. Okay, there will be so many roles, or you can call us digital marketing directors, digital marketers. If you run both paid ads and organic ads, organic marketing, if you are experienced in both, you will be called as a digital marketer because you know both the subjects, right? Because paid marketing and organic marketing, both the subjects you know, then you will be called as digital marketer. So until now, do you people have any kind of questions? You are free to unmute and ask me any question. Hello, మీకు ఎవరికైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా అడగచ్చు నన్ను. రాజు అండ్ రాజు గారు అండ్ విశ్వ. So you people have any doubts? You can ask. Yes, sir. Not able to hear you. You're saying something. Hello, రాజు గారు చెప్పండి. Still not able to hear you. Is my voice audible to you? Okay, if you have any problem in typing, you can chat, right? Let me open the window. Hello. That's fine. Let me keep going on until you chat. If you have any questions, you can ask me. So let me go for the positions I have explained you. What kind of positions do you have in digital marketing and organic marketing? Okay. So we will be discussing about how to purchase a domain. Not now. Okay. So once you people are ready and when you join, the first class will be like how to purchase a domain and how to create a website and where to host it, basics. And then you will understand how to get this domain on Google, how to get this domain listed on Google or Bing, and how to advertise the website in Google. And there is something called SMO, which is so called as social media optimization. SMM, which is called as social media marketing. So what is SEO? Search engine optimization. SEM, search engine marketing. So when I talk about the term marketing, it means it's a paid thing. Paid marketing category is called as SEM. SMM will fall under the paid category, social media marketing, because you're paying money to Google and Meta to run your ads. So over here, search engine marketing is to display the ads on Google search, and SMM is social media marketing to display the ads on Facebook as well as on Instagram. Okay, so SMO, social media optimization, without running any advertisement, I'm going to show my reel or a video to the public. How does it work? So there is a concept called SMO, social media optimization. When we start optimizing our videos with the help of different queries, different hashtags, and different kind of description, and the way we link it to the people and the way we collaborate, this results will appear for you. Okay, so this is all about digital marketing types and the digital marketing with AI, because so we started the class with artificial intelligence, the way how people have changed their lifestyle to search on AI tools for any results, and how do you get this result for your website. So you're going to learn in digital marketing, and that is why we named it as digital marketing with AI. Okay, so I'm clear until now, I hope. So if you have any questions, you are free to write a mail, or you are free to ask us through messages on WhatsApp or anything. You have a phone number wherein you can reach us on 810-676-3368. I'll write down the number 810-676-3368 to register for this course. And you can ask us any kind of questions if you have. And this course is going to be for 45 days initially, 45 working days. I'm not saying 45 days, it's 45 working days. So 45 days, and you will learn all that we have discussed here. And after that, you will be trained practically. You will have to do some internship with us. Like, you can work from your home itself if you want. And that is called, because we will make give you a practical exposure that will be for another 45 days. So the total course duration will be around 90 days, including theory and then practicals. Okay. And after finishing your course, you will get a certification or experience letter, as well as you can learn how to execute this kind of work for your websites and how to improve your business. So this is all about digital marketing so far from my end. And my name is Praveen, and you can follow our websites, like our YouTube channels as well. We will uh, send you this video, the recorded session, and you can just go through this session once again. And if you have any questions, you're free to ask. So if you're fine, then you can disconnect the session. We are fine to leave the session here. It's been like, we have finished 1 hour session for today.